Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share how I'm trading release of FOMC today. I have taken my buy position in EUR/USD right when market crossed above this minor swing high. I have selected EUR/USD because the movement to the upside in EUR/USD in initial 3-5 minutes was bigger than the movement in USD/JPY. You already know that USD/JPY or USD are the most popular pair which are traded on the basis of American economic news. So I looked at both of them, and then I saw that the movement in EUR/USD is bigger than that of USD/JPY. I took my buy position right after market penetrated above the high of this candle. So, and this is a minor swing high. When market penetrated above the high of this candle, it technically broke the tendency of previous downward movement. Market has been moving down, like market has been making lower lows, lower highs, then lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. Here market made a higher high when it broke above this line. So this line broke above this high. This high was 1729.1, and right when market crossed above this high, I took my position, which executed at 1731. My SL will be right below this candle. So the low is 1693.3, my SL will be 1619.23, and this is how my SL will give me a risk of around 37 pips, and my TP will also be around 37 pips. So roughly my TP will be around 1767, 1.1767. So if you don't want to watch the entire video, you can simply look you use these exit and entry points for trading. There are the technical factors which are also supporting this trade. For example, RSI is pretty close to this midline, and if this candle will close as a significant bullish candle, if this candle will close above the midline of the entire body of the candle, I believe that this RSI will also close above, RSI will cross above this 50 horizontal line, and that will fulfill a criteria, one criterion on this 1 hour time frame. And if this running candle will close around here, or maybe here, or pretty close to the high of this candle, there is a high chance that this faster moving average will also cross above this above this slower moving average, and thus all the criteria will be fulfilled on this 1 hour time frame. So these are the technical factors which are supporting our bullish movement, and even after 23 minutes of the release, the price action is still bullish, and I believe this is going to stay bullish. Let's look at not half an hour, let's look at 4 hour time frame to understand what other factors are there which are supporting our bullish movement. There is no bearish factor here, we have a bullish factor, and that is a divergence. If we compare this low and this low, market made a lower low, but if we compare the low of oscillator MACD with this low, then market made a higher low with this kind of slope. It suggests bullish divergence, and this is also a technical factor that is supporting our bullish idea. So this is not a very big trade on a bigger time frame. We just need 38-39 pips to finish the trade, and I have just looked at the 1 hour and 4 hour time frames, and I'm gonna remove the SL between 3:55 p.m. New York time and 6 hours 5 minutes p.m. New York time, because there is a higher spread between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. New York time. That is the end of the day, and there is a high chances that the market can touch your SL if you do not remove that in that particular time. So you should not keep any SL for that particular 1 hour 10 minutes. So 1 hour between 5 and 6, remove the SL 5 minutes before 5 p.m. and place the SL back 5 minutes after 6 p.m. So that's all about this trade. Thank you for watching.